Welcome. Today, I'll walk you through a powerful risk management indicator for MT4. This tool displays a horizontal line on the chart, allowing you to easily drag it up or down to adjust your stop loss, SL. As you move the line, the pip difference is dynamically calculated and shown directly on the chart. One of the standout features is the ability to adjust your risk by modifying the lot size right on the chart, giving you full control over your trade's potential risk. What's even better? When your stop loss reaches 10 pips or less, a sound alert is triggered to notify you instantly. It's perfect for staying on top of your trades and managing your risk efficiently. This indicator is a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their trading experience and make informed decisions with ease.